Thanks for your support, guys. And before we start, I'd like to show you guys a couple of things. First is the TradeIV app. This is a free website on TradeIV.com, and you can sign in with your Google account, and you can set up your own watch list, see some news, some breaking news, market conditions, some Wall Street bets comment stream, and ultimately a couple of unusual options information. All of that can be yours for free, and all you need to do is join in by going to TradeIV.com with your Google account, and you'll be able to have this app on your side when you trade. The other thing is you had to go into the link in the description below to get a live spreadsheet of my trades. So if you've been following my channel, you probably know that I sell options. And if you want to follow along, feel free to see the link below, and you'll be able to see all my trades in real time and follow along if you like. I currently have about $3,472 in profit, so if you want to follow along, feel free. And lastly, be sure to check out our Discord channel because I'm in there every single day during the market hours. We have some cool commands such as charting, like this, and you'll be able to see information real quickly. And you can, join our channel and talk to us all the time for free. And yeah, join in. We're still small right now, and we'd like to grow this channel by quite a bit. And lastly, be sure to follow us on Twitter. We have a lot of followers right now, and we post some really interesting, funny memes sometimes, some breaking news. So, and pre-market, after-market actions. So be sure to follow us there. And let's continue on with the video. What's up, guys? Another week in the books. It's Friday, November 20th, and right now it's 7:30 a.m. and I would like to give a quick recap on what happened this week. Now, this week was quite strange. We had quite a bit of vaccine news, and with the vaccine news, the market seems to be taking the news really well. But at the same time, the number of cases for coronavirus has been going up to a record number. So if we look at the number of coronavirus cases in the United States, we are actually hitting the record highs and the record high deaths around the world. So this is not good news, obviously, but at the same time, the market seems to like this news for all the tech companies. They've been going up quite a bit as the cases go up because people will go back to online habits, and online habits are hard to get rid of once you get into it, such as shopping, such as Zoom, things like that. So, but the good news is that Pfizer and Moderna came up with a virus this week, and they are going to they have like 95% chance of success rate according to them. And this morning news just came out that they are going to seek emergency approval for the virus from the FDA. So they're gonna request emergency authorization. So this means like they will expedite the process by quite a bit. And when they receive an FDA approval, they will immediately distribute the virus vaccine to the mass public, to our companies, schools, and hospitals. So you know what this means? This means that the virus could potentially be annihilated with this approval. What this means is that all the companies that rely on working from home are probably going to suffer. But we don't know what's going to happen with these companies because the market can be insane sometimes. So the market for companies like Peloton, which I was watching, Zoom, FSLY, like Amazon, all these work from home companies probably going to suffer a little bit when the virus vaccine is released. But nevertheless, we will watch on the sideline because it's going to be another event that's going to change the narrative of the market. So for now, we will continue on with our journey of option selling and theta game, and we'll see what happens. So what happened this week? This week I actually entered quite a bit of positions around Monday. So I got into FSLY, AMD, Microsoft, DK&G, Plug, and Peloton. So we'll see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions open right now, and I've sold puts on all of them, and they are quite a bit outside of the money. So all of them have about 90% chance of making money when I sold them. That's why you see some of the smallest credits that you'll see from my trades, because they are quite safe. Honestly, based on what happened last week with Peloton, I got a little scared. So I plan to take it easy this week by selling very safe puts. And the market sort of went up. I mean, it went pretty flat to a little bit slightly up. So if you are an option seller, you are going to profit in this situation, because you are only going to lose money when the price goes way against you. But if the price goes a little bit up, slightly up, or going flat, you are going to make money. So how much will I make this week? Let's see. So if I sum total up, this is only $247. But $247, it's quite a good number of money for such little risk. So today's the day, today's a Friday, and it's the expiration day. I'm very likely to see all of this going to expire worthless, and I fully expect to take in full profit of $247. The market right now, this is pre-market, and it's looking great. So as you can see, these are all pre-market numbers. All of our positions are going up at the moment, and they are all in the green. So what do I plan to do? I plan to expire them worthless. And if I can, of some of these positions, as you can see, they're already a penny from yesterday. I might close them out and then sell another position for next week. Roll them out today. So it really depends on what I can do. I know some of these options like FSLY and DKNG, I cannot sell them for 1 penny because the minimum is 5 cents, which is $5. I don't want to miss out on $4 of profit there, so I'm just gonna ride them to worthless. But Microsoft and AMD, I can get out of them early and then sell another puts for next week to roll them out. So that's the game plan right now. Pretty simple. I'm gonna take it easy, and the one I'm really watching is pretty much FSLY, AMD, and Peloton. Theoretically, I like to get a sign of FSLY and AMD so I can play the wheel, because the profits from wheels are much bigger than what I can do selling individual safe puts. So that is going to be my position from now on. And if you guys like to follow along, please let me know, and in the comments, or join our Discord, and I'll definitely see you guys next time.